next day, the students, in the same day, postmortem happened after the 6 o'clock, which is not legally advisable for such situation, and where her body could be kept for so many days, because in the RG court there are the facilities to keep her body, and parents were also not agreed to burn her body, but parents also found there is a hurry from the police end to burn her body. And somehow so many political parties who are opposition, like CPIM, BJP, Congress, who are not from the state government party, which is the TMC, they wanted like the body should not go for more burn. But it was sensed by the parents, which parents also admitted like there is a hurry to burn her body. So, and the next day, when all the students, because there's a lot of complaints were running on uh, about principals. So principals, previously there's a people like the students who are complaining like the so many illegal activities which were happening in RG. It's not about like a rape and murder case. So many other events were happening, and principals were some person who were involved. So somehow principal agreed to put resignation, but her resignation was not accepted by state government, and the same day he got another posting. In the country like India, where the jobs are not available, government jobs are not available, but in this case, his resignation itself was not accepted, where so many students are complaining against him. And we can now it's coming out there's already so many cases where going against him, but the state government always tried to save him, and we don't know the reason. And then suddenly one person who is considered like the civil volunteer is not police. There are some volunteer peoples who are being appointed by state government, and there's a no proper rules and regulation. And somehow police say like they found who is a accused, like criminal. And how they figure it out, in near about the body they found one headphone, and they found the like CCTV footage of that person enter to that room and came out from the room without that headphone. And when police found that headphone and they went near to that person, the headphone connects, so they are sure that is the headphone belongs to them. But the point is like why police are not handing over the other video clips also. There's only 27 or 24 minutes of video clips. And in the Supreme Court last hearing, Supreme Court also accepted. The CBI said there is a missing of all the footage. Like, okay, crime happened in morning 9 o'clock, it's fine, but there should be the footage after 9 o'clock. It's not like a camera was there up to 9 o'clock, and police are going to make you believe something. So I'm just requesting all the YouTube people who are saying about this case, just study and understand what's really going on. It's not like already the Supreme Court has given the judgment. It's not like everything has been proved. Now it's coming out. There's a huge evidence temperament happened, and nothing, nobody knows. And that's the reason the people in West Bengal, they are still protesting after a month. So if is like okay is done by one person, because in such a condition the victim was found, it's not possible it can be done by one person. And state government somehow try to make everybody believe like yeah, he had done alone. So if he had done alone, if a state government wanted to find the actual criminal, so what was the hurry? They could have kept their body, kept victim's body for the further postmortem. And postmortem should not be done in the same hospitals where the hospital security has been compromised, because the things happen in the hospital premises itself. She was not roaming outside, so it's not the same thing. Like now the people can say oh, she was not wearing proper dress, she was not in right place. No, she was not in wrong place wrong time, it was planned. So when some miss happened, it's not like always people will be saying, oh, she was in wrong time, wrong place. So that's the reason it happened to her. It's not like that. She was on her duty and she was in her own hospital. So it should be safe place. And when hospital could not able to provide security for her. Hospital didn't go for filing the FIR also, and uh, it's not like your students is been brutally raped and murder. Like if you're a principal, instead of giving her judgment, you are resigning and you are saying, okay, people wants me to resign, as if like he knows like he had done something wrong. It's not directly, but he might be enforcing the people to do things in a wrong way. So I'm just telling all the YouTubers who are circulating the news what happened in the Calcutta, please keep the patience. News is not about who is going to deliver fast. It's not the journalism. It's the responsibility to let the people understand what exactly happening. So take the responsibility what you are saying. Yet nobody knows what happened. Investigation is going on. Tomorrow 17, next hearing in the Supreme Court. So, who wants to tell you the news? I'm just telling it. We are praying that chill, who all are responsible, they should be punished. So we want justice for Abhaya. We definitely will be getting it, and that's all of us we are believing. Otherwise, it's really completely failure for CBI democracy, and we really don't know where we are heading towards if we are not going to get the justice. Because I think this is the bare minimum thing we can offer her. She's no more, at least for her family. Why we can't accept like nothing but justice? We need justice. So that's it I wanted to say.